Yes, Spencer. Yes, Spencer. So my sister is making some pineapple buns that she found a recipe for online. And we're gonna give this a try today.
Let's give it a try.
Custard on the top is homemade. She made this herself yesterday. And we're gonna be putting it on top of these King Hawaiian buns. And we're gonna pop in the oven later. See how it looks. Yes, Beth. Pineapple buns, Beth. You wanna try one? It's gonna be really good. Oh.
我再睇睇嗰個睇睇嗰個。我係咁估啦，你攞佢就識買呢個煲。
乜嘢？ I like cooking the bacons like this twirled up because it's gonna cook a little bit, maybe not faster, but you can fit the whole pack of bacon in here, and it just gets just as crispy as if you lay it straight. But you just fit a lot more in the pan. This way. We got some bolo bao coming. Yeah. What is that, Spence?
Papa.
Bao bao. That's right. Okay, right? Yeah, it looks good. Wow. It looks pretty legit. Pretty. So these are the pineapple buns here. Let's cut them in. Butter, isn't it? Let's put so butter in here.
唔使，
Mmm.
因為唔中意飲。
This is a nice looking bun, isn't it?
Papa.
你菠蘿油定你菠蘿油啦，係咪啊？Try the top. Oh, it looks legit, doesn't it? Mmm. Let's try the homemade pineapple bun. Is it's better?
得
Yeah.
It's legit.
It's pretty legit. Yeah. Baker Candy's gonna give it a try.
Okay,
Yeah.
not bad.
Pretty legit.
Mm-hmm.
It came
Maybe
out pretty
next
good.
time we'll do a little thicker, but
You like the thicker ones, maybe? Yeah, thicker is better than the thinner ones.
it's good.
So we had a view variation because we didn't know if the thicker one was going to be better or worse. So some of this one's like a little bit thicker, right? Yeah, you did good. I feel like it's better than the ones in like Brooklyn.
嗰啲唔 fresh 啊嘛。
Yeah, this is like out of the oven.
And this
fresh.
is easy too because you can use the Hawaiian bread.
Yeah. But it's like crusty though. It's like it's still very intact as one piece. So still really good. It looks good. You want a hash brown?
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Scramble 都係，
Oh, well done.
你唔要蛋？啊 Michael 咧，Scramble 係嘛？
Crunch, crunch, isn't it? Oh, no. Try the bacon?
Yes.
Very crunchy.
Very good.
The bacon is so good if you dip the yolk in it.
No.
Oh, you got your blueberries, Spence. You got your blueberries. Today is day 1500 of us living the van life lifestyle. We're a family of 3 traveling through the US, and we are currently in the Poconos. We are not in our van because we are here in the PA, New York area to spend the holidays with our family. We're here today in the Poconos in one of our short-term rental Airbnb houses, and we were here since Friday, 2 days ago, and really mainly to stay here, chill out, have fun, and spend Spencer's birthday here. We had a celebration yesterday and the day before actually, so if you guys want to see that, check out yesterday's video. We're gonna be here for one more day. We were thinking we were gonna leave today, but we're gonna stay another night. My sister and brother, they're here, so we're gonna play some board games, we're gonna hang out, and we're probably gonna do another meal tonight. They might leave tonight, but we're gonna stay another night because the drive from Poconos back to my parents' house is about 2 hours, and we want to time it so that when we make the drive back to Staten Island, New York, it's going to be when Spencer takes his nap, which is around like 2 p.m. So we don't want to rush it this morning. Still got a lot of cleaning to do here with all the big meals that we've done for the last 2 days. So we're gonna do a little cleaning. We're gonna hang out, and then we'll head back tomorrow.
Here he is.
All right, guess what Rena is making right now with her knitting? What is this? It's hard to guess. All right, put your guesses in the comments below, whatever this is. Should we light up the fireplace? What do you think? We should light it up? Yeah, let's do it. Let's light it up. Yeah, I think we only need one log, Spence. One is enough. Spencer! We're gonna play some board games this afternoon, yeah? Yeah, just one of each, right?
Yeah.
Just pick one of each.
Yeah, just pick one of each.
Okay. Spence, can you pick a card for me? One card.
And
The board game we're playing today is called Ticket to Ride. It's the first time I'm playing.
而家只係揀衣帶用㗎，或者攞埋。
Thank you. Thank you.
Kitty. While Spencer and Rena are taking a nap, we are going to head over to Walmart to pick up a few things, including some more wood and maybe a few food items.
好似極佢 double 嗰個方式嘅人，你要。
Picking up some additional wood for the fireplace there. And let's see what else we're gonna get here. Alright, I'm gonna pick this up for Rena as well to help with her sinuses. Alright, let's get it. Back at the house. Tonight we're gonna do hot pot dinner again because we had a lot of leftover from yesterday. And we want to clear as much as possible so that we don't have to bring anything back, or at least as little as possible. So let's take everything out and get this hot pot started again. Got some leftover corn here, we got some tofu, some gluten. We're going to be doing a tomato soup base for the hot pot. This is from a company called Lao Yi Xiao Hot Pot, Lao Yi Xiao. Yeah, let's put some corn in there as well. Adding a little daikon in here and a little corn. Let's get it cooking. All right, we are doing hot pot round 2. This is the leftover. Look at all the food here. Got the seafood here. We got the beef here. We got the leftover fish balls, the mushrooms, the beef balls. The soup is boiling, which is nice. Tomato soup base with some corn and radish, duck feet, tofu, and pork blood, and pork liver, and some fish. fish paste. All right, let's eat. Esther is still napping right now, so we are going to eat first, and he's probably gonna let us know when he wakes up. So. Beef tendon balls. Got some duck feet here,
Anyone?
pork liver, and some fish balls. Rena's having the pork blood.
我呢度成餅咁嘅呢度，冇人食得。
好埋。
我喺下入去俾佢呆咗，渣渣。
Hi, Spencer. Spencer has joined the chat.
Ready。
我出去啦。
大家食嘅。
邊個大家？呢啲還要真係做。
This one is duck feet.
係咪想撈埋啲嘢先？呢條幫兩罐午餐肉咁。係話咩？啊。啊咧？Okay.
Whoa!
哎呀！
Oh. I don't know. It's just Can you sit down? Wow. 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 Whoa. Whoa.
Is it here?
You guys remember these classic games? Super Nintendo? This is a mini emulator that we have here in the house. Play some Donkey Kong right now. Is that a gorilla fence? That's it, 2 out of 2. Yeah.
Looking for the E patients, the hospital called in and they found that the patient was only
Yeah, that's better too.
when you type in the number, right here.
Oh yeah. She. Let's finish your birthday cake, Spence. Let's cut it first.
Okay, let's cut it.
Like that. Okay. A small piece. Oh, you're gonna have the whole thing? How about this? Let's split.
Is it good?
Let's split this for you. Here. Whoa, there you go. No. You take the small piece.
So sa no.
How is it?
Looks good.
Cheers. Pretty big bite there. We're gonna play one more game of Ticket to Ride before Candy and Orlando heads back home. Okay.
Okay.
Pick doesn't think I.
係啊，pick 啊。我哋幫我食晒。
Yeah, I'll turn it on for you. Can we say goodbye to Guma and Gujang? Say bye bye. Bye bye. You had a good time, right? You had fun? Yeah, can you give Guma a high five or a hug? Oh, a hug is nice. Gujang, then? What about Gujang? Oh, it is Elmo. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, hold on. Bye bye. Thank you for coming.
Stay home safe.
Okay, we'll do. Okay, yeah, drive
Yeah,
safe.
that was fun.
Drive safe. Okay, bye bye. Bye bye. We had a pretty fun weekend, didn't we, Spencer? We had a good little party with our friends and family. A few nights of hot pot, some cooking, and today we had some good hot pot as well, just to finish up all the food. And we hung out here at the house. We had a pretty fun time, and I think Spencer had a blast with so many people around him and just always playing with him. And he gets to run around this big house, so he had a lot of fun as well. All right, guys, I'm going to end the video here. It's getting quite late. We're going to be hanging out here by ourselves for the rest of the night. And tomorrow we're going to be leaving the house. So we're going to be driving back to New York to my parents. But we don't know exactly what we're doing yet. If you want to continue watching our daily vlogs, hit that subscribe button so you get notified when the new video comes out. And if you guys enjoy watching this video, give us a thumbs up so that can spread out to more people. All right, we appreciate you guys watching. We will catch you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Mwah. Bao bao.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.